Okay guys, I got a pretty cool little product to show to you today that was sent over from my friend Alex Hayes. He sent over a front lip for the Outlaw front bumper. Real simple, real easy product, and I'm going to show it to you, and all of you are going to be like, what? That's not a front lip. But I'm telling you, it's actually brilliant, and it's really smart, and it's pretty cool. And let me show you. It's on a roll. Got 3M tape. It's rubber. This thing is, it's pretty cool. What I like about this is super easy to put on. This is going to take you a couple of minutes in the garage to put it on. You're not going to wreck this driving around on the street. It's rubber. It's going to fold up on you. You're not going to destroy it. 3M tape, probably the best tape on the market. We all know that. And he contacted me and asked me if I wanted to put one of these on the car. I'm like, yeah, sure. I think these things are pretty sweet. He has a 1-inch and a 2-inch version. And it's just foam. It's like molded foam. So this thing's going to be real simple and easy to put on. And what I'll probably use for it is some clamps. I'll use some of these little clamps to hold it up as I work it around, because obviously, you know, it's a straight piece. It's a little curled up, but just how it gets shipped. And it's going to look pretty badass on the bottom of that. I went with the 1-inch version. I have a 9-inch valance on the car, and the car sits low. The 2-inch version probably would have been dragging the ground, and I don't think it would have looked right. A couple of things you want to do to prep this is put the car up on jack stands, or take your front bumper off, or your front valance off. Whatever's the simplest for you. I have other work to do, so I put it up on my stands, and we'll do that. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean this whole lower lip off under here, because you want a good, secure, bond with this, so it's not dragging under your car and you tear the thing off. Let me get, I think I have some alcohol wipes. We'll wipe that off real quick. Okay, I got the whole bottom of the valance cleaned off with some acetone. Got it all cleaned up nice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working this lip around. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it first with clamps, just to make sure it overhangs some, make sure there's some excess that you can trim for a perfect fit. Worked it all the way around, and we do have, I mean, it's obviously not 100% correct, but we do have, you know, 3 or 4 inches that overhang the edge of the lip. So you will be able to make this perfect all the way around, edge to edge. You can kind of see how it's going to be. I'm going to pull it out. I just have it clipped on, but I'm going to pull the edge of the lip out all the way to the edge of the valance. You want to be careful doing this and make sure you get this thing all lined up. Don't pull this all off. Pull it off a little by little and work it around the edge of your valance. Like I said, it's 3M tape. It's gonna hold pretty good. You know, a couple clamps on there like I showed you to secure it while you're in the middle of this, and you are good to go. Alrighty, that was really quick and easy. There was, I mean, there's no tools to it besides some acetone and some clamps. It's not perfect. It's a piece of rubber that is straight and it's not formed, but it's not bad. It's a little wonky in the corners just because of the way the rubber pulls. And the sides, it's kind of like flared out on the sides, but I have a feeling that's more to do with the temperature of it and that it was rolled up flat. I have a feeling once it gets warmed up to temp good, they'll sit more flat, which, you know, it's fine, but let me show you. There you go. You can see how the sides are a little flared, but it's just a little nice little add-on. I hope you guys like that. It's a cool little piece. You know, it's probably not big dollars. I will put all of Alex's contact information in the comments if you would like to get it from him. Also, he is a dealer for a ton of companies. I can't even, AM, Holly, Race Pack, Viking probably, I don't even know. He had a whole list up and it was way too long. So if you need anything, check him out. Great guy, like I said, badass car. That's all we got for this one. Stay tuned. We're going to do something super cool next, and all of you are probably going to be like, what is he doing? But it's completely badass. Get in the garage, crack a beer, work on your hot rod. Spring is coming, guys. Have a good night.